Most of us belong to the category of people who often lose track of progress when it comes to weight management. iSlim Flat Tummies is a unique product from Indus Viva to effortlessly manage your weight. This is a proprietary formulation which is delivered to you in a crunchy bar form. iSlim bar is composed of scientifically validated synergistic herbal extracts, multivitamins, multiminerals, dry fruits and nuts, and natural fibers, protein premixes, which helps in the holistic management of overweight and obesity. If your body weight is at least 20% higher than it should be, you could be considered as obese. And we know that India ranks third in obesity and overweight in the world. The underlying cause being the consumption of processed food full of fat, proteins and sugar. Childhood obesity is a concern haunting India. Children without proper physical activity and timely nutritious food intake are prone to obesity as well. Prescription-based medicines for obesity and overweight only provide moderate relief from obesity over a period of time. Instead of reducing the weight, these synthetic medicines pose a lot of adverse effects on the human body. iSlim Flat Tummies is a weight management bar which contains synergistic composition of specialized botanicals known for natural weight management. It includes Coleus forscolli, standardized to forskolin, known for reducing weight, Salacia reticulata, standardized to salacinol, which reduces impaired sugars, and Sesamum indicum, standardized to sesamin, which effectively reduces cholesterol. iSlim Flat Tummies is also enriched with goodness of soy protein and whey protein concentrate, which brings about effective weight loss. It has an effective combination of oats and ragi, otherwise called as finger millet fibers, which helps in reducing tummy fat accumulation. Unique combinations of ashwagandha, otherwise called Indian ginseng, and mucuna extracts have antioxidant properties and reduce the stress during weight management process. Enriched with multivitamins, multiminerals, amino acids in 4 different flavors, iSlim Flat Tummies will certainly keep you energized during the course of weight management. iSlim Flat Tummies has very low calorie, low sugar, and it is fiber rich and 100% natural. It is free from chemicals, preservatives, pesticides, and has no severe side effects. iSlim Flat Tummies is suitable for all age groups. It is safe to be used by patients with diabetes, hypertension, and heart diseases. For better results, I always suggest iSlim Flat Tummies to be consumed by a meal in a day. One can consume water 10 minutes after consuming iSlim Flat Tummies. iSlim Flat Tummies can be continued for longer periods with appropriate diet and lifestyle. To keep fit and energized, I would suggest you to have moderate physical activity for half an hour in a day, eat more of fresh fruits and vegetables, cut down on oil and fat, and consume at least 4 liters of water every day. So munch an iSlim Flat Tummies bar and trim your tummies naturally.